So what is a growth disorder and what are the causes? Well, a child has a growth disorder if the child's rate of increase in height or weight or length is lower than that of other children in the same community, or if the child has a delay in the onset of puberty or very slow progress in puberty, if the child has an abnormally early start to puberty or a shorter than normal duration or an early end in the timing of puberty. A child with a previously normal growth pattern who has a slowdown in growth that is less than what you would get for the age band would also have a growth problem. When should you start treatment for growth disorders? Well, I think that abnormal growth should be tackled the moment it is being discovered. It's a mistake to keep observing the child without a clear plan of action. If a child has been doing poorly in a school subject, it is unlikely that observation will change his performance.